Place for People is a large housing management and development company. We manage in the region of 60,000 properties across over 200 local authorities. But we're much more than a housing provider. We provide access to support around older people, skills and employability, and a whole range of other supporting services. Places for People have been tackling worklessness for over 8 years now. One of the biggest challenges we face is the dispersed nature of our stock. Managing stock across so many local authorities creates real challenge in terms of providing services to our customers in a meaningful and uniformed way. A major challenge is working in partnership with other organisations. We work with over 100 different partners to deliver our services. That means we've got to understand what their needs and desires are, and also make sure they can meet our own aspirations. We also have a key issue around specialist skills. We've managed to bring skills into our organisation around tackling economic development issues. Not many organisations in the housing sector have these skills, and that's enabled us to really push forward our activity to tackle worklessness. I wish I could sit here and say we had a fantastic strategy when we started this work. We didn't. We've been very opportunistic. We've gone out there and sought grant funding, and we brought it into the business to deliver new services and learn as we've gone along. That's enabled us to test what works, replicate good practice, and spread the things that impact positively on our neighbourhoods across our business. We won the Gold Award because of the scale and impact of the activities we've undertaken. We've supported over 2,000 people into work, we've supported over 2,000 founded people into learning. We've also set up in the region of 250 new businesses. Each of those individuals or that benefit has a wider impact upon our neighbourhood, upon their own families and the wider community. So the impact and the scale of what we've done has a massive impact positively on the economic well-being of the neighbourhoods within which we operate. There's a number of key lessons that we've learned. The first one is that you can't tackle worklessness in isolation, either in terms of place, so making sure you look at the physical, social, economic and environmental issues facing that neighbourhood, but also in terms of people, to make sure that you tackle the real issues preventing them going into work. That might be around health, access to childcare, etc. So making sure that you tackle worklessness in a holistic way is key to success. Working in partnership is also critical. We found that building partnerships around a shared agenda has made a real difference. We can't do everything ourselves, so we've got to work with other organisations to deliver the impact and the change that we're looking to deliver within our neighbourhoods. A further issue is aligning our core housing management function. We've had to work hard to get our housing staff to understand why we're tackling worklessness and the impact that has on our business, and clearly making sure that our housing management team, our care and support team, our development team all understand why we're getting involved has been key to the success we've achieved to date. Winning the Gold Award has been a fantastic experience. It's enabled us to look back at what we've done, question why we got to where we are today, but also think about the future. We've got to meet some interesting people, we've got to share our message, we've also got to meet some senior people within government and other partners, and that's enabled us to not just explain what Place for People has done, but also learn a lot ourselves.